Welcome to Las Vegas Real Estate Now, where we believe in the 3 E's: educate, empower, and engage. I'm your host, Harvey Blankfeld of the Brown Blankfeld Group, selling homes in Southern Nevada since 1988. To bring you the 3 E's, we not only share our experience and knowledge, but that of our expert contributors. We are very proud to be part of the Real Estate Radio Network. Like them, we are dedicated to delivering timely, balanced truths on market conditions. Please stay tuned. We'll be back in just a moment. With us in studio, we have Tracy Ruccia and John Morgan. They're both from Equity Title. Tracy is the Vice President of Sales, and John is the Vice President and Chief Title Officer. Hey guys, welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks, great to be here.
I got a call last week from one of our listeners. He had a seller who was explaining to him how he didn't really need title insurance, and that this home was acquired through an HOA foreclosure. He was going to be getting a nice 10% discount on the house. But John, tell him why he should be careful.
A recent Supreme Court decision in September of this year ruled that if proper notification is given, a foreclosure of an HOA lien has the effect of extinguishing a first mortgage.
But title companies will not offer title insurance on these because they're fearful of what may happen down the road.
Absolutely. The Supreme Court decision left a lot of questions unanswered. Since that case, there have been 2 other significant cases been filed in federal court by the conservator for Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae. So it really is up in the air on where this is all going to go.
And in defense of the homeowners associations, they were struggling.
Yeah.
They needed money.
Yeah.
They needed to get these losses off the books.
Absolutely. And from that proposed purchaser's standpoint, what he risks with foregoing his title insurance and buying that property, even if he's getting a great deal, he is going to face the prospect of having to possibly defend against a bank or the feds alleging that deed of trust was not in fact wiped out. So it's a big, big risk.
Yeah, I would not buy a house without title insurance.
I wouldn't.
I don't like how much it costs. Hey.
It's one of those things where until you need it, you don't maybe appreciate it.
That's right.
That's
It is
the
just
thing.
a one-time cost.
That's right.
right.
That's
So-
right. You need to think about this home as kind of like a hot potato. Whoever gets stuck with it when this rule gets changed is the one who's going to eat that balance. If it does get changed. It might not, but that's the risk reward you're looking at. In the previous segment, Trace, we were talking a little bit with Kerry Phillips about how they source their funds for escrow and for closing funds. Those funds need to arrive a certain way.
The best way in today's transactions is a wire. The process gets done faster. In all honesty, a wire is the safest way to go. Even if you are receiving funds from a title company, you should ask it to be returned to you in a wire.
One of my clients needed to wire earnest money into escrow, ended up doing what's called an ACH because it was cheaper. But that's not a wire. And so we have to be careful about that.
There are people out there that just won't do wires, but just know it's gonna hold it up
Well, guys, thanks for coming in, and we'll see you next year.
next year.
Thanks again, guys.
Thank you.
Great, thank you.
Thanks for listening to Las Vegas Real Estate Now. Please tune in every week and help us heal the Southern Nevada market one home at a time.